they're still trying to adjust. They look good the entire season, we have to say.
You know, and you won 25-20.
Welcome back to the finals! Kasama ko na yan ang best player of the game, Kyle Negrito with 15 excellent sets, 6 points of 4 attacks and 2 blocks. Kyle, congratulations! Saan kayo humugot para sa panalo nyo today? Kung tatanungin mo kung saan kami humugot, siguro sa isa't isa, wala nang iba. Talagang yung paghihirap namin this conference, talagang para sa isa't isa lahat ng ginagawa namin. Now, hindi naging madali ang journey ng Creamline Cool Smashers in the All-Filipino Conference. Tell us about the journey, the ups and downs, and how you guys overcame it. Yes,